Welcome to Easy Peasy Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download free tutorial from Sail Web Design website. The link you can find the link in video description. This site offer many tutorials for free. You can download whatever you are looking for and whatever you want to learn. Okay, in search bar you can search whatever you are looking for. I'm looking for WordPress. Here are the results. So I'm going to choose one of them. Okay, WordPress Masterclass. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. So if I scroll down the page, yes, here you can find the link, the download link. I press the button, click it. Okay, here the download file. It's downloading right now. Okay, and this is very easy and very useful. You can download whatever you like and looking for in this site. If you like this video, please like it and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and goodbye.